Hi guys, how are you doing? Okay, so we're going to cover shoes industry tonight. We're going to overview a couple companies, Nike and Skechers, and we're going to look through value line reports and then try to develop the trading strategies. But before we continue to the fundamental technical analysis of Nike and Skechers, we're going to have a look at the overview of the market as a whole. Okay, in order to know what we're going to do. We discussed it at a meeting last night, but I'm going just to show you on graphs. Okay, that's Dow Jones Industrial Average. That's index which represents 30 biggest companies by their capitalization. And as we can see from 2009, it's moving upwards. And there was a trend line. And during last year, it's kind of was flat. If we can see, it was holding this top line. And the bottom line was around 1600. So it's kind of tested the lowest level of this trend. But now it's continue within that trend. So it's still going. As you can see, it's kind of mini trends here. And now it's on the top, kind of on mini trend at resistance level. Okay, let's have a look at the close position. That's what we can see. 1, 2, and it's at the top of the third row. So if it breaks through, it can go to the highest resistance level. So if we come back here, so we can see this level, which can continue further, or if it doesn't hold this level, it will continue like go back to around 1770, 1700 here at this level, about 1800, right? If it breaks that level, it might revisit 1600. So at the moment, it's after election rally. So after Donald Trump was acknowledged as the president, so you can see the market reacted really positively. So and moved up quite a lot. So and what we're going to do here, if you're planning to buy some shares or invest somewhere right now, I'd rather wait until you can see that the trend, the Dow Jones index, will be at support line. So if it continues this way, so in any way, so it would be about 1800. So try to get 18,000, sorry, and try to get your shares on this level. When you see that index at the bottom and your shares at support as well, that would be the best time to buy. Because if you're trying to get it now, so and then it goes about 5% down, like your shares will be going down as well. So it's you can make much more money if you follow the like industry as a whole and index as well. So similar stuff we can see at S&P 500. S&P 500 includes 500 companies by there's smaller capitalization, middle capitalization, and big size as well. So it's and we can see that at the moment it's kind of at the resistance level. Previous highs, like on Friday, on Monday last night, it's broke through a bit. So, but all indicators we can see it's overcooked. So, in a similar way as Dow Jones, it is I expect that it can go down, and when it goes down, we can get it at a much better. Like I mean, all shares which in your portfolio you can grab it at a much better price. If you're thinking of renting your shares, if you have shares at portfolio, so it would be a good time. Probably consider it now. But again, you have to look at your share particular because every share behaves differently, even though they try to follow the whole index. Now, in Compaq, in a similar ways, S&P 500, we can see it's just broke the previous high, so it's at the highest point. And again, all indicators, they're at the highest level, so they're overcooked. So we can expect that it can turn around during like few days, like in the future, and then we can get it when it's going to be about 5,100, something those level. Okay. Now that's indexes.